Hi, it's Kevin Dolan. I want to do something different for you today. Instead of sending you a written communication, I'm doing a video, mainly because you, me, and everyone else on planet Earth, we're all deluged with news about artificial intelligence. So I wanted to give you some human interaction as a counterpoint to that. And look, ChatGPT would never suggest I look like crap like this, but this is honestly how I look most days. It's why I do what I do. I can't work in an office. I can't dress up, but I can make connections with people. And that's what I'm trying to do with you here. More importantly, in 2 days' time, I'm getting on a plane and going to Florida to meet with a client. I've never met him in person before. We've been working together on and off for 5 years now. And it just made a whole heck of a lot of sense for me to go meet him in person because in a world where artificial intelligence is going to eventually be beating the crap out of most of our first efforts to generate, great content online or smart advertising headlines, whatever you can do online, Chat GPT and the like is going to be able to do as well or better than you sooner than later. But one thing artificial intelligence can never do is make a human connection with your clients. And if you can do that authentically, you can put a fence around them and keep them from being, stolen from you by your competitors. There's always going to be someone who can write a better ad, digital ad, or any other kind of ad. I say this as a copywriter. There's always going to be someone who can write better stuff than you, can produce better content than you, but no one can make your connection to your clients better than you can. So that's why I'm going to be flying to Florida to meet personally with one of my old clients. He's a really cool guy. We've never met in person. It's a terrific opportunity. That's why I'm doing this for you now, is to just make a personal connection with you. And I'm going to give a quick couple of shout outs and ideas to some of my readers. I'm thinking of a guy by the name of Mike, terrific SEO guy. I'm wondering, and I know he does great work, I'm wondering if he can make a personal connection to his clients who've probably never met him. But he does a lot of good stuff for people online. What could he do one thing offline to make a personal connection? It might be a really good idea for Mike. I'm thinking of Greg, a chiropractor who's got a great practice, and he does good work for folks, but it's very transactional in the sense that, it's quick. You get into the office and you get out. Wondering what he or someone on his team can do to take a few minutes every month, or maybe every quarter, to send something tangible by mail to his patients and to just make a personal connection to those people. So those are just two quick ideas for an SEO guy and a chiropractor. But the short answer here is anything you can do to make a personal connection to your clients is going to build your business. It's going to help you in the short term and the long term. You won't have to worry too much about artificial intelligence if you're making real, live, authentic human connection. So what do you think of this idea? Let me know in the comments below this video, or just reply if you're getting this by email. Hope you have a terrific rest of the day, and I'll be in touch with you soon.